Hi guys, so right now I am at a Guwahati hotel and it cost me around 500 rupees. This is the hotel. I think it's okay. Fan is there because Guwahati is hot and spacious too. So the weather is good because it's raining and
guys, this one looks quite interesting. Let's try this one.
Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when
Guys, like this is there's an actual fish there, and I'm going to put my legs inside. Pardon?
Tickling.
Yeah. So guys, this is like tickling. I don't know. My food becomes very neat and clean. Now it's for massage time.
we don't disagree, and when the sun shines here, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more than you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you, still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror.
Can I have something there? Can I say what?
Charlie.
Hey, you think to what?
Think the first is the
Ngalli.
Chini chai.
Charlie.
Saya. Guwahati the thing they want is to come to come back view. I'm gonna gender no, I'm gonna dance. Korea come to give up.
She know that pussy worth it. The Rolex at the Grammy Awards. They still selling dope. That's those Miami boys. Killers everywhere. It ain't no place to run. Forgive me for my wrongs, I have just begun. Ain't no mercy.
So we group mình được cái vậy?
Zilonix.
Rất lâu rồi này.
Zilonix.
Zilonix. Mà tăng giờ video học thế là gì?
Hi. Hey guys, I'm Nabita Chandu from Guwahati, Assam.
Sao rồi bỏ?
Chắc phải chai thì quá đưa mình nè. Chai sẽ cắt thêm chai rồi.
Kinh doanh thông mà kì? Trang thông gì à? Sao là cả kinh doanh thông tiền rồi? Kê ba? Thắng điều à?
Cái thông quay cho mình mà.
Thấy cái sự nói đi thì
Pagi din ay tabi ko. Ay ko na sida rin.
Kasi ng Guwahati nung ang taga na.
Kaya na ako tingnan ba sa dulo ni.
Oh, yes.
Ay sa Guwahati lang ko ulit tingnan rin.
Nung subon na rin. Pwede yam nung diba? Yung matang chala. Pwede rin.
Apa party mo? Kaya saloy no, tawag din. Pwede saloy. Kaya Ben no.
Kanjara.
Nanti. Kanjara. Ma'am, ako keep up na natin ko. Metal sa tawag ko. Mimi ne, timing na ne.
And how you make me smile, and how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby.
आप लोग कहाँ से?
हम लोग गुवाहाटी है और आज हम लोग इधर ही गुवाहाटी पे है तो खाने के लिए इधर पोर्क मिलता है ये सुना इसलिए हम लोग खाने पे आ गए.
ओके ये मणिपुर का मतलब मणिपुर थीम रेस्टोरेंट है पता है ना आपको? मणिपुर थीम में
हम लोग को इतना पता नहीं अच्छा लगा.
हाँ नहीं मणिपुर बस्ती का है मगर मणिपुर थीम पे बनाता है.
वो नहीं पता है. तो अच्छा ही लगेगा शायद.
और मणिपुर का ये स्पेशल भी मिलता है यहाँ पे जो क्या बोलते हैं नेटिव डिश.
अगर आज अच्छा लगा तो हम कल भी आएगा.
जैसे कि यूम्बा बोलते हैं ना फर्मेंटेड फिश वगैरह वो मिलता है.
हाँ तो कल भी.
enggak yang mana gitu? Dalam info. Like kalau pernah kali. Ha, like kalau. Kewa? Oh, like tadi punya loh.